Let's get started by preheating the oven to 220 degrees Celsius or 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, zest a lemon. This is going to add a wonderful flavor to our muffins. Just focus on the yellow part. Avoid the white piece as it can be bitter. Add it into the sugar and start to rub the sugar and zest mixture between your fingers, working the sugar into the zest. It helps release the natural lemon oils for an even more intense fragrance. Do this for about 3 to 5 minutes. First up, add the salt into the flour and mix it. Get a small mixing bowl, add in sugar and melted butter. Use a fork to mix them to help maintain the crumbly and chunky texture. Incorporate the flour mixture into the wet ingredients, continuing to use the fork to create a coarse crumble. Cover it with a lid or plastic wrap and refrigerate until you are ready to use it. Mix the melted butter and milk in a large mixing bowl using a whisk until they are emulsified. It means to combine these two liquids into a smooth, uniform mixture, and it helps to create a finer texture, as a result, softer muffins. Now for the eggs, use a whisk to gently blend them well with the mixture. Using a whisk can help incorporate air, which contributes to the rise of the muffins. Let's add some vanilla extract and a touch of lemon extract to give these muffins a flavor boost and a bright sunny twist. Next, add in plain Greek yogurt for a tangy goodness. Whisk it until just combined. Add some fresh lemon juice for a burst of citrusy flavor. To achieve a touch of sweetness and the irresistible refreshing flavor, whisk in the sugar lemon zest mixture until well incorporated. For the dry ingredients, sip in flour, baking powder, baking soda and salt into the wet mixture. Mix gently using a spatula until just combined. Finally, add in the star of the show, poppy seeds. They give a subtle nutty flavor and a delightful crunch. They also complement the flavors of lemon particularly well. I can say lemon and poppy seeds are a perfect match. We are going to bake the muffins in these charming tulip muffin cases. They will definitely elevate the presentation to the professional level. For those gorgeous bakery-style muffin tops, fill the liners most of the way with batter using the ice cream scoop. This ensures consistent portions and gives the muffins enough room to rise and form a beautiful dome. Time to create the irresistible crunch. Let's generously cover the batter with the delicious Streusel topping. To give our muffins a good rise, we will start by baking them at a high temperature of 220 degrees Celsius for the first 5 minutes. Then we will lower the heat to 180 degrees Celsius and continue baking for another 15 to 18 minutes or until golden brown and cook through. Let the muffins sit in the pan for a few minutes. Then, when you can comfortably handle them, transfer them onto the wire rack to cool down. This allows air to circulate around the muffins, prevent them from getting soggy on the bottom. I'm so excited for you to try this recipe. These moist and tender muffins are packed with zesty lemon flavor and crunchy poppy seeds. Topped with a buttery streusel, they are the perfect start to your day or a delightful afternoon treat. If you like these muffins as much as I do, please like and share this recipe with your friends and family. Leave me comments below and let me know when you plan to indulge in this delicious treat. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. Please subscribe for more baking adventures and hit the notification bell to stay updated on new recipes. Head over to the description box for the full recipe and let's get baking. Bye!